Everyone, today I want to do a little unboxing of this little Porter Cable 4 amp hour and charger kit. I got this at Charge Supplies for $80, and if you're into the Porter Cable line, this is actually good because it gives you a charger, a rapid charger. They do give you other chargers. They do have those tiny little chargers, I kind of like using those, but only on like these tiny little batteries when it comes to those. I don't like using the rapid charger. The rapid charger will be good for like the big ones, but like, these tiny ones, I don't like using this charger for these guys. I kind of like the little one. But yeah, you could still use these little guys for this too if you want to, but I don't like recommending, in my opinion, but everybody has their own opinion. So yeah. So in this package, it just comes included with just the rapid charger for the Porter Cable battery and the 4 amp hour max pack. And for $80 ain't bad, but usually these go for $120 at Charge Supplies. So yeah, if you're in the Porter Cable, this is a good, in my opinion, just wait for a deal. I got this during like near the holiday season, but by now Poly, Poly ain't good anymore. But the deal will show up again, maybe at Father's Day or maybe later down the road. But yeah, if you're into the Porter Cable line, this ain't a bad idea. If you already have a bunch of tools, this ain't bad to have, in my opinion. Since, just in my opinion, I will recommend wait for a deal. It ain't bad to have a big battery. And, if you got a big battery, it'll last you longer. Trust me. It could last you more longer than this one. 2 times what a 2 amp hour could last. So, yeah. And, since I have drills, some circular saw, a bunch of tools, of this, this battery will work perfectly with all those tools. So, not just with this. So, yeah, if you're interested, I would recommend buying it, in my opinion, if you're in the line. So yeah, we're going to look at this real quick. Give me a sec. Okay, so let's start unpacking this little package real quick. All right. And there's no way, it looks like you can open these. I mean, maybe you can, but it's more a pain in the butt, in my opinion. So yeah, we're just going to open this. Let's see if that will help anything. Okay then. So there's the battery. Man, this package has this really, there we go. And here's the rapid charger. Alright, yeah, that little sucker's stuck in there real well. So yeah, here's the rapid charger. Here is the battery. And the sad part about the Porter cables, they never include a battery indicator on their tools, which is disappointing in my opinion. In my opinion, they should add one. But yeah, they don't have a power indicator on their tools, so yeah. And I'm going to test this battery out real quick, so give me a sec. Okay, so I got a drill here. I want to see if the battery works. You want to make sure, in my opinion. Let's see. Yeah, it shows life. And that's good, so we know the battery works. Alright. So now I'm going to let the battery charge. So give me a sec. Okay, so I have it plugged in. We're gonna insert the battery. And it's charging. So we know this is working. That's good. And I would recommend try the battery and then try the charger. If the battery does not work, just return it because you never know. I mean, I never had issues, but you never know. You could probably have a bad battery or something. But right now we know it's charging, so that's good. So yeah, overall, kind of liking this rapid charger for this big battery. So yeah, if you're into the Porter Cable line, it'll be perfect. Just, as long as, you're in the Porter Cable line, you need an extra battery. It ain't bad for $8 with the extra charger. I have seen the internet. And the sad part about these, you can't mount them. I've seen people where they make holes and stuff on these. I kind of wouldn't recommend that in my opinion. You know, you gotta screw it in, then you gotta make a hole or something. I wouldn't recommend that unless you want to buy something that sticks here or something and mounts. That's what Porter Cable should have done, something where you can just easily mount it on a wall. You don't have to add too many, just one here and one here. These two could have been it. But there is a little adapter I've been seeing on the internet that goes on this charger. And it has like little sheets right here with holes, and you could screw it onto the wall if you're into that. Later down the road, once I purchase one, I'll show you if it's still available, because the guy right now is on vacation. So I gotta wait until he's back from vacation and see if I can order one. But yeah, overall, to me it's good. Just the sad part, it doesn't have a battery indicator and you can't wall mount it. But if you don't mind about the wall mounting on the wall and just have it on the table, that's fine too. I mean, that's better. So yeah, overall, it's good. And I do want to mention here in a bit, if you want, I'm doing a little thing here where if you give a bunch of likes, say like 50 likes, we get 50 likes, I'll do a video of the Craftsman set. I own it for a year, and I'll show you here in a minute. I own that set for a whole year almost here. It's just one more month away. And I want to make a video of it owning it 1 year. I never did an unboxing of it, but if you're interested in seeing how 1 year of using them looks like, and you know, I haven't used all the tools that much. I use them a little bit once in a while, but there are some of them that I've been using a lot. So yeah, here in a bit I'll show you. This is the Craftsman I was talking about that I forget 50 likes, you know. So I will go over all these tools here as a 1 year review. I didn't do an unboxing of it since I bought it just to immediately start fixing up my place. And so yeah, but you know, in case you're interested, get up to 50 likes and I will make a review. If not, if we don't get close, but we get close, like say 40 to 50. If we get to 50, I'll upload it faster, but if we get 40, I'll upload it in the next month here. But you know, if we get fast to 50, I will upload it as fast as possible. But yeah, these tools are really useful. You can tell I've been using the Hex impact driver a lot. You can tell it's been beat up a little bit. And also the circular saw, looks like I've been using it too. So yeah, if you're into that, interested, you know, just give a bunch of likes on this video. 50 likes, you know, and we'll see. Also, or just give it more, but the goal is for 50. Also, if you want to check out, I do have another Porter Cable tool here. I got a grease gun here if you want to check it out. I've already made a video of this guy. If you're interested, the reason I bought that 4-amp hour batteries for this, because if you own like skid steers and bulldozers and stuff, and they only give you one battery, a 2-amp hour battery, that guy ain't gonna last that long if you're greasing too many things. So yeah, if you need, I need a bigger battery, but that's the reason why. So yeah, if you want to watch the video, it's already uploaded. It'll be here at the end. So yeah. So yeah, if you're interested, give a bunch of likes and I'll do a review of this in 1 year owning it. I'll talk about everything that came with it, you know. So yeah. Alright. Well, thanks for watching.